We're at Ballyvooney Cove along the Copper Coast, County Waterford. It's Sunday, the 23rd of May 2021, and this is my brand new DJI Air 2S, and this is its Virgin launch. So here we go, folks. We're a couple of hours away from sunset and we're about to launch my brand new DJI Air 2S. So it's its Virgin flight. So here we go, ladies and gentlemen. Yay! And just a little bit up from Ballyvooney Cove, there's an absolutely gorgeous village called Stradbally. I've heard of it, I've seen it on roadsides so many times, but this is actually my first time here visiting. And I believe this village originated in the early 13th century as an Anglo-Norman village. I'll include some information in the captions, as I always do, just to fill you in the details of this picturesque village. And I'm in the main village square now, and it is absolutely lovely. Look at the quaintness of it all. And the sundial, although there's not much sunlight falling on it right now. Even the local pubs have got lovely designs on them. Although they're all shut at the moment due to the pandemic. They're hoping to open up in June sometime. We'll see what the government says about that. Towards the bottom of the village, as you take the road towards Stradbally Cove, you see, oh my god, you have to be here to appreciate it, but they've got them planted, loads of picturesque flowers. I think they're hoping for something amazing to bloom in the summer months. If I get a chance to come back and see it all in action, I'm sure I won't be disappointed. But to have a look at that, it's got roses, all types of flowers there, and a little stream even at the bottom of it. That is amazing, that's beautiful. There's still more of it as you come further down the road, and they even have a little seating area so you can enjoy Mother Nature with her blooms. So beautiful. And further down that road, that's Stradbally Cove, and we're heading there next. We've arrived at Stradbally Cove, which is the final destination of the day, just a couple of kilometres down the road from Stradbally village. So we're going to have a look at this, and this is yet another spot along the Copper Coast which I've never ever visited before. For most of you it's the first time, and for me it's definitely the first time. There seems to be a lot of sand for starters, so the tide may get high here. And you can see the sea all the way to the distance there. And that's the view looking back. Seems to be an old derelict house there to the right. And we have some brave people there to the left, camping out for the night. You could in fact drive onto this beach and go as far as the edge of the sea if you're brave enough, but that's at your own risk. I don't know whether it's me or not, but I never seem to spot these logs on the beach. So this is the first one I've seen for a rather long time. And to the left, there appears to be a cave, but it's only for the brave and the foolhardy, maybe, just to cross that stream to get to it, to explore. It's getting a little bit nippy now. We've reached the final destination of the day here at Stradbally Cove, and right in front of me as it's coming up, I'm just going to touch it there without getting drenched. Ah yes, it's lovely here, and the sunset is only maybe 45 minutes away, and so I'd better get some aerial footage for you then, so you can get a better idea of the layout. Here we go. Oh. Try again. Propeller installation error. I'll just double check that. Okay, stop that.